theory. MS Excel is the largest lesson in the group in the first semester course. After completing MS Excel, we will be able to move fast. Okay, because it has got so many functions and shortcuts and so many aspects new to us. Okay, we have completed text functions yesterday. All these are over. These functions are over. Now we will go on to sorting in MS Excel, sorting, filtering, and then data analysis. All those aspects will be taken up. What is sorting? First, sorting means arrangement of objects in particular order. It may either be descending order or ascending order. Okay. Marks. We have done the first exercise in what entry of marks. Ran between 80, 100. We have entered a random mark for each student, and we then tried to sort all the marks. We have sorted all the marks in the ascending order or the descending order. With regard to marks, we always sort it in descending order because the person scoring 100 marks appears at the top and the person scoring 0 mark always goes to the bottom. Therefore, we sort it in the descending order. There are two options for sorting. One is to make the order ascending. Ascending means from smallest to largest. Or to make the order descending. Descending means you make the order smallest to lowest. Sorry, largest to smallest. Reverse order. Okay. Z to A is descending. A to Z is ascending. Okay. 0 to 9 is descending. Sorry, ascending. 9 to 0 is descending. Okay. Then where is sorting option available? It is available in home menu, whereas we don't use the sorting option available in home menu. We go to the data menu because we need more extensive sorting options. Therefore, we go to the data menu for sorting information. Okay. When you go to data menu and press sort, what happens? Have you ever noticed it? It opens a dialog. We have to add several levels to the sorting. First level, second level, third level. You can also remove and levels already added. Okay, I'll show you how sorting works. Okay, with regard to dates, you have oldest to youngest, oldest to newest, or newest to oldest. This is the option. With regard to letters, you have A to Z or Z to A as the option. With regard to numbers, largest to smallest or smallest to largest is the option. Okay. We have three major options for sorting data. Okay, we will go to sorting menu. Windows are Excel, I'll zoom it out. Okay. Serial number, name, then mark, then DOB. Okay. Then I'll serial number is 1, name is row plus 64. I'll 65. 65 is C. Then row plus 63 should be A. What is this? What am I doing? There is a function called row. It returns the row number. It returns the row number, which is 1 in the current case, 2 in the current case. And I have added 63 to that number. 63 plus 2 is 65. And 65 stands for A in the alphabetic order. A. I want to make all the names to be A, B, C and other letters. I don't wish to type anything and waste my time. Then mark equals rand between, I am not going to manually enter the mass, I am generating the mass, rand between 80 and 100. Okay, then DOB, I'll enter equals date. I will enter a date and then show you what happens. I'll also try to generate it in the anybody's COB 200801. I take this, I convert it into a number. Wait, for some purpose, I need to format it as a number. Then I will reformat it. Number 36739. Okay, I will generate random dates of birth equals ran between 36,000 and 38,000, 37,000. Now I am generating random numbers, nothing but random numbers. See what happens. I'll go up to 10 rows. I copied it. Then I copy this, go down up to 10 rows. Marks are automatically entered. Then I copy this. See what happens. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Why? Because 63 is added to each row number. 63 plus 2 has become 65. And the character for 65 is A. We have seen that there is a function called char. We have then C. 63 plus 3 up to J. It automatically generates numbers. This is A1 plus 1. For a lazy person, everything becomes easy. Everything becomes easy. Do it the easy way. Don't waste your time too much upon hard work. You should do some what? Smart work. Agree? Yes. Now we have the data ready. I wish to sort this data. I want to sort this data. Normally we do not sort the serial number. We don't sort the serial number. Therefore, I have left the serial number. I select only name, mark and DOB columns. Okay. I have to reformat them as numbers. Sorry, dates. I have generated random numbers. I wish to reformat them. I go to number and then go to date, then short date. This should be okay for me. Okay, I have again reformatted everything as number. This is only for my convenience. I have generated random dates. Okay, whereas I don't want them to remain random. I don't want them to remain random. I select this portion. Now the data is ready. I go, I select, and then I press Alt ES and values. Formulas will be replaced by actual values. Now you don't see any formula in the formula bar. All the formulae ran between and other things have been replaced. Okay. This is because sorting will reorder the locations. Formula will interfere with the value. Therefore, I will not use any formula. Okay. I have selected name, mark and DOB columns. I wish to sort this. I wish to sort this data. I go to which menu? Data menu. I should go to data menu. Then what else? Sort. Then what else? It shows me one mark. Okay. I sorted using mark. In case two persons have the same mark, how to break the tie? Tiebreaker. The second level, tiebreaker. Add level. Then I go to date of birth. DOB. Because a person having equal mark, two persons having equal marks will be chosen based on dates of birth. The elder person who has scored the same mark would be given the first opportunity. Then oldest to newest. Then I go to add level. Then name. Then A to Z, alphabetic order. In case two persons score the same mark and they have the same date of birth, what should be the tiebreaker? The third level tiebreaker is the name. Beyond this, we don't have any say. We normally use only 3 levels of tiebreakers for sorting marks. Okay. First is name. Mark. This second one is date of birth. Third one is name. I now sort the data. See what has happened. I have done it in the wrong manner because 100 has gone to the last location and 83 has gone to the first location. I don't want this to happen.
Therefore, I press Ctrl Z. Then go to sort again. All the values are to be reordered. I take mark as the first one, whereas smallest to largest should be converted to largest to smallest. I add one more level. I have added one level. I have gone to DOB. Then oldest to newest is okay for me. Then I go to name A to Z. Okay. Now the sorting has occurred in the right manner. Okay. How to sort the data? Go to data menu, then press sort. Yes, press sort. Then choose the sorting criteria. Criteria. They call them sorting criteria. The first one is mark. The second one is date of birth. The third one is name. Okay. Then I press Ctrl Z to get the original data in my hands. Ctrl Z. Why? I have done sorting only to demonstrate. I don't want to preserve the result. Whereas I'll go to the next one. That should be filtering in MS Excel. What is a filter? In normal sense, what is a filter? Filter removes unwanted content. Whatever is unwanted is removed through a filter. You may have a filter for coffee, tea, or any emissions, vehicle emission. We have filters to control the vehicular emission. Okay. To prevent high carbon emission into the environment. Then filters are water. Filters help to remove unwanted content. I'll show you how to apply filters. It is very easy. I have to select the entire content. Then go to data menu. Simply press filter. Press filter. Finish. Then you can sort the data based on any particular column. Sort by sort largest to smallest. I want them to be sorted in the largest to smallest order. Control Z. Some I told you already. Formula should not be used in sorting and filtering. I should replace the formula with equivalent values. Formulae are likely to make us likely to cheat us. Okay, from Z to A. Name from Z to A in the descending order. Then I wish to clear everything. Then DOB. DOB from oldest to newest. Okay. Anything is possible and I can filter out. You just take a look. Mark starts from 83. The mark starts from 83 and goes up to 100. I want only the marks, only the students who have scored marks in the range of 90 to 100. 90 to 100. I will apply the filter. I go to mark. Then number filters equals greater than or equal to, because I want 90 to be included. 90, 91 up to 100. 11 values. Greater than or equal. Then greater than or equal to 90. 90. Okay. Okay. See what has happened. I have given 10 rows of data, whereas the available rows are reduced. What has happened? Only the marks having values more than 90 and less than 100 are displayed. The other values have been filtered out. They have been filtered out. Therefore, filter can be used for simple sorting or for filtering out unwanted content. You may wish to filter out unwanted content. Even based on date of birth, you can filter the data even based on date of birth or name. We can apply the criteria. Sorry. Suppose I have some filter and I wish to clear it. I have cleared it. I have gone to mark. I have pressed clear. Everything has become normal. Okay, the filter will stop working. And I go to name. Nothing has happened. Okay. Then I can entirely remove the filter. Clear. I selected this. I press clear. All filters should be gone. Nothing. Wait. Maybe we have some mechanism for removing filter. Yes, you simply press filter again. Filter is gone. In order to remove filter, simply have to press filter again. Done. everything is normal again. Okay, what is the filter then? Filter can remove unwanted data. It does not actually remove the data, it hides the data, hides the unwanted data and shows only the desired data. We have seen about sorting and filtering. We'll stop here, we'll go to practical and then to practical. No MCQ today. Tomorrow we will take up new MCQ because exam has been scheduled for 8th of June. 8th of June. We are moving towards March. We are nearly in March. Next week we will be in March. Therefore, we have to be fast enough to make ourselves ready for the exam. They have fixed the date.